Hi everyone. Today I'm in South Dakota and my granddaughters are going to help me make trail mix. So we have Anara.
Hi.
Penelope.
Hi.
And Haven.
Hello.
All right, so let's get started. So today the girls are going to make a candy trail mix. First thing they're going to do is they're going to dump in 1 cup of chocolate chips. They each have 1/3 of a cup. Okay, go ahead and dump that in. So next they're going to be putting in crunchy cookie M&Ms, and that's again 1 cup. They each have 1/3 cup. Okay. Cheers.
Fun. Wow.
Okay, and then Penelope, go ahead and take your spoon and stir it up a little bit. All right, so next we're going to be putting in the regular milk chocolate M&Ms.
Yes.
1 cup worth. Each one's going to be putting in 1/3 of a cup.
Let it go. Whee! Bouncing! Smells good.
So the next thing we're going to be putting in is red starburst jelly beans. 1 cup, 1/3 cup each. Okay.
I want yours goes like that.
So next we'll be putting in honey roasted peanuts, 1 cup, which is 1/3 cup each that they'll be dumping in.
Cheers. Cheers. Bouncing.
And Penelope gets to stir.
That looks good. Actually good. Oh, it's not even fun.
All right. So next we're going to be putting in pretzels. 1 cup of pretzels, 1/3 cup each. And then Haven, you get to stir. So the last thing we're going to be putting in is Warheads sour popping candy. Good finish to a candy trail mix. Okay, go ahead and dump that in. It's Anara's turn to mix.
Next step.
I think they'd be flying out of the bowl if we did that. Then let Penelope mix. You can mix a little bit.
Well, I need to think about it. See how it's good. Oh, you can see the candy on there.
Yep. Give it a little stir.
Whoa, that's a big stir.
I can smell it. Okay, let Haven mix.
Let's not take this star mixing.
All right, so these guys did a good job. They're going to do a taste test now and let me know whether they like it or not. You guys can all go at the same time.
Cheers. No, we got to do cheers. Oh, yeah. Wait, holla, 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 holla. Cheers. Grab.
Good.
Good.
Thumbs up.
I'm gonna drink it. This is good and stick and back.
It is. You guys did a good job. And we're going to have some now too. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.